Installation. For requesting an installation demo for this product once delivered, please call Samsung support directly on 1800-40-726-7864 and provide the product's model name. Fully automatic top-load washing machine, 6.2 kilograms. Warranty, 2 years comprehensive warranty on product. Design, door, color, PM gray, panel display, red LED. Feature, air turbo, auto restart, child lock, magic filter, tempered glass window, drum type, diamond drum, pulsator center jet, water level, 5 levels. Cycle, blanket, delegates, eco tub cleaning, additional cycle, normal, quick wash, soap plus normal, number of cycle, 6. Physical specification, voltage frequency 220/50, drum material SS.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell button. 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 Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell.